Yes, students, I have also defined some other examples of calculus of finite differences. Earlier in the video lecture, I have defined some different types of the some different examples for the calculus of finite differences. And this example is the problem is given like that. Given, yes, given the problem is given, yes, u naught is equal to 3, u1 is equal to 12, u2 is equal to 81, yes, and u3 is equal to 200, u4 is equal to 100, u5 is equal to 8. Then find, yes, find delta to the power 5. I have given you so many questions of the delta, so I think you can solve all of the questions. Okay, here the solution of this can be taken as the earlier video. I have also obtained some problems of delta. So delta to the power 5, yes, this u naught, yes. From the earlier, delta can be written as e minus 1. So e minus 1 to the power 5, yes, u naught. And now you expand, yes, write down the form of the e to the power 1 minus 1. So by the binomial expansion, yes, you can define this can be written as e to the power 5, yes, minus 5 e to the power 4 plus 10 e3 minus 10 e square plus 5e, yes, minus 1, yes, operating this one now operated by u naught. Okay, so you can get e5 of u naught, this is equal to u5, okay, minus 5 u4, okay, plus 10 e3 of u naught, this is u3, yes, minus 10 u2, okay, plus this one plus 5 u1 e operating on u0 minus of u naught. Yes, clear? Now substituting these values, now you get the result. Okay, substituting here is e5 is given in your question is e5 is 8, so substituting this one is 8, and e4 is 100, so minus of 5 multiplied by this one, that is 500, plus for 10 multiplied by u3 is 12, 200, yes, so this can be written as 2000, yes, minus of 10 u2 is 81, yes, so 810, yes, plus u1 is 12 multiplied by 5, you get this one is 60, minus u3, this one 3, yes. Now substituting this all these values, and now you get the result is, I think you can solve this, you get the 755. Okay, yes, these types of the question you can solve easily by making this, yes. Now also we have given you a question like that, you operate, find, yes, another example, yes, find f of 6 given that f of 0, this one is minus 3, f of 1 which is equal to 6, f of 2 is equal to, yes, is 8, and f of 3 is equal to f of 3, yes, this one is given as f of 3 is given as 12. Okay, f of 0 is minus 3, f of 1 is 6, f of 2 is 8, f of 3 is 12. Yes, and the third difference being constant. Yes, and the third difference differences being constant. Is clear? You can find out f of 6. Yes. Now we construct the following differences table. Okay, which is very easy if you make up the table. Okay, then here is x. Yes, we construct, here we can write down, we construct, yes, we construct the following differences. Yes, we construct the following difference table. Yes, okay. And now the table is, we can make it. Okay. And here is x. X is given. And now f of x. Yes. F of x, delta f of x, and also delta square f of x. Delta square f of x, and also delta cube. Yes, delta cube f of x. Yes. Now we have to we can be here the values are given. You find out the f of 6. Here x is 0. Yes, 0, f of 0. Then the values of function is minus 3. Okay, and when this one 1, value is 1, then f of x is 6, value is 2. Yes, then f of 2 is 8. Okay, and then if value is 3, then this one is 12. Yes, okay. Now you know the delta of f of x, that is 6 minus 3, that is you get, this one is 9. Okay, 8 minus 6, that is you get 2. 12 minus 8, that is you get 4. Okay, now delta square is 2 minus 9, that is you get 7, minus of 7. Okay, 4 minus 2, that is you get 2, and also here 2 minus 7 minus 7, that is you get 9. Okay, this completes the table. This is very simple if you convert this in table form. Okay, now you're operating the, you can find the f of 6. So yes, so we have, yes, we have f of 6. Yes, this can be written as f of 0 plus 6. Okay, that can be written as e to the power 6 of f of 0. Yes, but because f of x, and e can be written as 1 plus delta, so this can be written as 1 plus delta to the power 6 and f of 0. Yes, now you can expand the delta of 1 plus delta to the power 6, you can expand it, then you get, yes, then you get, expanding this, then you get 1, yes, plus 6 delta plus 6 delta plus 15 delta square, yes, plus 20 delta cube. Okay, and operating by f of 0. Yes, and the higher derivative, neglecting, ठीक है, and up to the higher differences being the 0, because here here you see that the difference is only up to this one. Okay, so higher differences we neglect, because after that if you get delta 4, then where is no any term. Okay, so substituting all this term, yes, this one, yes, okay, this one, that is f of 0, yes, f of 0 plus 6 delta f of 0 plus 15 delta square f of 0, yes, plus 20 delta cube f of 0. Now substituting all the values, putting x is equal to 0, then here you see in this table f of 0, yes, at a point f of 0, this is 0 is minus 3, yes, this is equal to minus 3, and 6, yes, plus 6 multiplied delta f of 0, which is 9, okay, this into 9 plus 15 delta f0, that is minus 7, okay, minus 7 plus 20, yes, this multiplied by delta cube f of 0, that is 9, okay. Now you can solve it, and now you get the value is 126. So the answer is for f of, yes, f of 6 is equal to 126. Okay, these types of the form you can solve the question. Yes, thank you.